Back to you, Stacy and Casey.
It's Rutabaker.
What's up, guys? Back with another video. I've been gone for a week, just kind of reflecting, getting myself away from social media a little bit, planning, plotting, for what the future, can hold, things like that. But I'm back stronger than ever. I have a couple of videos dropping today. Be sure to watch if you're looking right now. I don't know where to point on this, but it's over here on my screen. Naughty by Nature interviewing. I interviewed, me and my former teammate Justin Cates. You guys will see him a little bit more, but me and him interviewed Naughty by Nature on our new YouTube series, The Hot Seat. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. You'll see it. You'll see my reactions. You'll see my interviews with people like Naughty by Nature, other talents, things like that. And if you want to be interviewed, comment down below. Let me know. But anyway, I've taken a week off. It's time to come back stronger than ever. You know how that goes. But I'm about to do a reaction. As many of you know, I'm from North Carolina, and I think it was Saturday or Sunday. I woke up to like a whole bunch of texts and stuff from my North Carolinians. And they have been hit with an earthquake. Everybody's tweeting, Instagram and Facebook and all types of stuff, saying, "Hey, we've been hit with a earthquake." It doesn't typically happen, but I'm gonna watch this video to see kind of how this all played out on global news. Like I said, I've only experienced one earthquake since living in North Carolina, and it's something that we don't get used to. I mean, it's something that we're not used to because it doesn't happen. That's more of like a West Coast thing. So, yeah, I'm going to watch this video, react to it, see how it was, and I don't know. I might be surprised. Miller's Creek, I don't know where that is, but... Oh, snap. Is that in slow motion? Oh my god, that is bad. Oh. Oh. Bro, the camera is like... They said it was a 5.5 magnitude. Oh, like, I don't know how to get these notifications off my computer. It's irritating me. Holy cow. Hayes, North Carolina. I don't know where that is.
Wow.
I'm not even sure exactly where the I guess you call it the eye of the hurricane, where it like rooted from, this earthquake. Because a lot of these places I've never heard of. But it's like people in the Charlotte area. If you know where Charlotte is, Charlotte, North Carolina. That's where a lot of my friends who live there were saying that where they felt it. So I don't know. Maybe further north it wasn't really affected. People probably
it
weren't
felt like
affected.
a wave in one of those where you could take your kids for the wave machine, and it lasted maybe 3 to 5 seconds, and it was gone. So we've been out assessing our town and our county all day today. We have widespread minimal damage.
I've heard of North
a lot of foundations have cracked. Chimneys have been broke off. We had a water line that broke in our town. I did lose a chimney,
oh, no, it's not.
but the foundations of a couple businesses in our town, houses throughout our community here in the whole county were cracked. We actually lost 3 houses right now because they are deemed unsafe to live in. So we've actually relocated 3 families. It's a little scary, but you go out and you pick the bricks up and move on.
What exactly do you do in an earthquake? I said 5.5, 5.1. Someone told me 5.5. Who really knows, But what do you do during an earthquake? Honestly, like, do you do you lay on the ground? Do you like what do you do during an earthquake? You know, during a tornado, you want to get in a tight spot. maybe like a bathroom, somewhere where there's no windows. They say lay in a ditch, things like that. But um, what do you do during an earthquake? And maybe it happens so fast you really don't know what to do. Rocky, you have an answer?
But my
Rocky says he has an answer. Pray to God about it. You said what? Pray to God about it. That always works. You are right about that, Rock. I know I'm right. Now stop recording and play with me. All right, we'll play in a second. All right, go ahead.
my house, at least to my concern right now, is we went out to make sure that our citizens were taken care of and that everybody was on is okay. Let me tell you this: our town is going under a makeover right now. We actually put in a new water line system through our town that was over 100 years old, and we replaced that. If we had not replaced that and redone our streets and our town, this could have been catastrophic for the older buildings, the town itself, the infrastructure that we have here. It would have destroyed it. Let me say this, my friend. If I didn't believe in God, I would have today, because God saved our little town.
Definitely. Listen, him saying that right there, you know, talking about the infrastructure and the ground and the waterworks, all that stuff, not being replaced in 100 years, and the fact that they just replaced it, you know, kind of saved the town. This kind of reminds me of the Beirut situation, or Beirut, however you say it, the where the bombing just happened. Not the bomb. I'm tripping. Please ignore me. Where the explosion just happened, where, you know, that huge explosion that's going around the country. I mean, going around on social media, things like that. But they were saying how there was a ship there that was fully loaded of explosives, and people kept telling them to remove the ship, and they never listened. And look at what happened. So it kind of, you know, kudos to you, North Carolina. Where is this at? Wherever you're from, what part of North Carolina, or whatever part it is, North Wales, I don't know. But anyway, I commend you guys, because sometimes you have to listen to your gut feeling. Sometimes you have to listen to others, and, you know, pull that trigger and fix things before it gets worse. All right, bro, you gotta go. You gotta go. Dang. But yeah, that's all that I have. I mean, I would truly like to know, what do you do during an earthquake? So please, if you know something, let me know. Inform us. Comment down below. There might be other people who don't know what to do during an earthquake. I mean, honestly, I don't know. Maybe you hide under something hard. I don't know. But let me know down below. Let me know what else you guys want me to react to. I'm back, fully loaded, ready to go. You know, working hard, and you know, staying blessed. Keep me in your prayers. I'll keep you in mind, and let's keep grinding. I'm out.